All right, guys, I have decided to take the intake off. I wanted to show you these things for the fuel. So these have a little clamp inside, if you can see that. You got to get them compressed so it doesn't hold on to this, and then you pull them out. They make those tools. I don't have them. I just use this. This is from a spark plug, a holder, a brand new spark plug. I just cut it, wrapped it around, and stuffed it inside, and was able to pull it off. So little tricks, but I'm going to be taking this guy off. So I'm going to be starting down, taking bolts off down here, and as soon as I pull this off, or if there's any secret little thing that I find, I will let you guys know. But I'm going to go to that point and I'll be back.